This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. The corn market traded lower, and Friday's midday model showed improving chances for rain in Brazil and Argentina. That, coupled with the lack of any announcements of new Chinese business, had the fund selling 20,000 contracts during the session as we posted the lowest close of the week. The soybean market traded lower on improving rains for northern and central portions of Brazil. Crop estimates for the 2021 Brazilian crop are lower than the original projections, but still remain at record levels. Losses were limited from strength in the soybean oil market. Vegetable oil is very strong, with Malaysian palm oil prices hitting multi-year highs on Friday. Vegetable oil and soybean oil supplies on a whole are headed for a squeeze like something we've probably never seen before, unless world oilseed crush capacity can meet an expansion for food and especially industrial demand growth in the next couple of years. Nations are becoming more aggressive in mandates, and if, as expected, transportation sectors like air travel tap vegetable oil as a fuel, we could easily overwhelm the normal year-over-year growth in vegetable oil production. Friday saw the wheat market trade lower as it was pressured by a projected larger-than-expected crop in Australia and Canada. This pressure came despite recent weakness in the U.S. dollar, which makes us more competitive in the world export market. Stiff Black Sea competition in the wonderful world of wheat exports is still seen as overriding the weakness in the U.S. dollar and keeping us from gaining a larger share of the export market. Cotton futures ended the week on a positive note, with the March futures finishing the day 46 points higher as they settle at 71.57. Livestock futures, on the other hand, were lower straight across the board. February live cattle ended the day 17.5 cents lower, while January feeder cattle were down 2.5 cents at the close. Lean hog futures also lost ground, with the February futures closing 35 cents lower. Class 3 milk futures slumped on Friday. The December futures finished 10 points lower as they closed at 15.35. And meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef was $4.17 lower, closing at $235.02. Select boxes were down $2.42 as they settled at $217.51. Pork carcass cutout values were stronger as they ended the day $1.72 higher, finishing off the session at $78.17 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.